In today's video, I'm going to teach you create a custom map with Google My Maps. We'll walk through building a personalized map from start to finish. Keeping everything simple and clear so you can follow along with confidence. First, sign into your Google account and head over to the Google My Maps website. On the main page, click Create a new map. This opens a blank canvas with a map in the center and a panel on the left, where you'll manage your content. Before adding anything, give your map a proper name. In the top left panel, click the text that says Untitled Map. Enter a clear title and, if helpful, a short description that explains what the map is for, then click Save. A good title makes it easier to find and share later. Now let's add locations. You have two easy options. To search for a place, use the search bar at the top and look up an address or point of interest. When the result appears, click Add to Map in the pop-up. Or, to place something manually, click the Add Marker pin below the search bar, then click directly on the map where you want the marker. For both methods, you can add a title and description to each marker, and customize the look using the paint bucket icon to change the color and icon. This is especially helpful when you are distinguishing different types of places. To keep everything organized, use layers in the left panel. You start with one layer by default. Click its title to rename it with something meaningful, like restaurants or hotels. Click Add Layer to create more, up to 10 layers total. Make sure the layer you want to add to is selected. You'll see a thin blue line indicating the active layer. If you drop a marker in the wrong place, just drag and drop it between layers to fix it. If you want to visualize routes or areas, use the Draw Line tool under the search bar. Click along the map to add points and build a path or shape. Then connect the ends to finish. You can switch mode to driving, biking, or walking and customize the color, line weight, and transparency for clarity. For bulk locations, import data from a Google Sheet, CSV, or XLSX. Click Import under a layer. Choose your file and select the columns that contain addresses or latitude and longitude. My Maps will place markers automatically. When you are ready to share, click Share in the left panel. Change access to public on the web or anyone with the link, or invite specific people to view or edit by entering their email. To embed the map on a website, click the three dots next to the map title and select Embed on my site to copy the HTML code. Thanks for watching.